Hi, this is San Diego personal injury attorney Mark Blane, and this video is on what can you do to remedy a situation where your own medical doctor refuses to come in and testify at trial on behalf of your injury case. Well, generally speaking, there's two things that we can do. We can subpoena your own doctor to come in to testify at trial, but as you can imagine, if they're already refusing to come in to testify because whether or not he or she's too busy, they may be less than pleased to come in on a subpoena to support your case. So what do we do in that instance where they don't want to come in, they won't be cooperative, we know this ahead of time. Yes, we can subpoena them to come in, but it may not be beneficial to the case. The only other option that we can do is to hire other medical experts to review and interpret the medical findings of your doctor who can't come in to testify for whatever reason as to his or her findings on your injury case. So those are the two options that you have available to you when this situation arises. Now, what do I do to be very proactive to prevent this from happening is at the very beginning of the case, when I meet with my client, I find out who their treating physicians are. I explore the relationship with the main doctor, treating the client to see what their relationship is with the patient, if they're motivated to help the patient. Inherently every doctor should be prepared to support their patient both on the medical side and legal side. And if they don't want to do the legal aspect of it, if they have to be called for deposition or trial testimony, they need to have a waiver up front with the patient so the patient can make informed decisions at that time to maybe switch doctors because the case is going to court or will go to court or may go to court. So I make sure that the doctors that my clients are treating with have this relationship with them in terms of supporting their patients when it comes to trial testimony, deposition testimony as well. So that's one way to really be proactive so you don't have to do the subpoena request or hire additional experts to review your own doctor's medical findings to help you on your injury case. Why do I tell you this? Because I've had questions like this before from other clients when there's uncooperative doctors, especially medical doctors that don't want to get involved with the case. So these are things that you have to be aware of when you do have an injury case and you are pursuing a personal injury matter with an insurance company. You always have to be cognizant that this might go into court. If it does, is it going to be limited to deposition, or does it have to go all the way to trial with trial testimony from your doctor? Now, I answer questions like this all the time from folks interested in this in San Diego, California, so you can call me anytime at area code 619-813-7955 if you have any questions. You can also email me at mark@blanelaw.com, that's M-A-R-K @BLANELAW.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions or concerns regarding whether or not your doctor refuses to come in and testify on your behalf or what you can do about it. So this is Mark Blane signing off from San Diego, California. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.